Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making Halloween cupcakes and we're gonna make some ghosts, some bats, and some pumpkins. So I'm gonna start by doing a ghost to start out with. And I have a big open, I have a camera up here just in case you wonder what I'm looking at. I have a big open hole tip in here. If you don't have, this is a number 808, a Teco tip. If you don't have that, you can actually just use a piping bag and cut don't put a tip in it, and just try to cut the end as perfectly straight as you can, about as big around as that, kind of like a nickel almost, and then that should be just about the right size. But I have all the right tips, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And you're gonna give it a fat squeeze for the bottom, and then you're gonna work your way up to a smaller squeeze, and then you're going to let off at the top, and that'll be the top of the ghost. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to give it a big squeeze, and then a small squeeze, and then done like that. And then I'm going to put the mouth and the eyes. See if you can see that. Now you can use other things. I have a black M&M for the mouth and some of these eye candies that you can buy. If you don't have that, I'll show you an alternate. You can use mini and full-size chocolate chips. Give it a big squeeze, smaller squeeze, and off. And I will use 2 mini chips for the eyes and a regular chip for the mouth. So there's a couple different ways okay, so now we're gonna do a bat. We're gonna put just an orange swirl down on the bottom. Put an Oreo on there. We need just a little glue for the eyes, so I'm going to put just a dab of frosting there and a dab of frosting there. Put a little mouth. And we're going to put some wings. There's the bat. Okay, so let's move on to a pumpkin. Got my star tip in again, and for the pumpkin we're going to kind of go up and down to kind of create the look of a pumpkin. take and put a little stem in it like this. And then we're going to switch our chocolate to a writing tip. I'm just gonna put a face on our pumpkin. And for the little bit of a leafy look on top, I'm just going to stick a couple of these in. So it looks like there's a little greenery up there. So I hope you enjoyed the video making these Halloween cupcakes. I appreciate you coming to check out the video, and do me a favor, hit subscribe. It's free to you and it helps me to be able to make more videos. And if you want to see any more of my videos, my channel is Rhonda's Thrifty Kitchen and my website is rhondasthrifty.com, and all my recipes and videos are there as well. So I hope to see you soon. Thanks.